Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. And in today's video we have got something lined up which I think you're going to really enjoy. In fact, you can see it sort of down there in the background. It is making some small petals and doing more of petals using some satin fabric and working on the mini mannequin. So shall we get straight into it? I'm using this plant pot again, and it's 11 centimeters in diameter, and I've got a creaky chair actually. I've got this blue satin fabric which has got some stains on it, I noticed, but we'll see how we get on, as I really want to use this colour. And I'm just going to be drawing around with a pencil. I was trying out some different sizes of these, just using a compass, but it's much easier to just draw around a shape. So I'm going to go with trying to squeeze on as many as I can on here. So I'm going to switch it to time lapse before that plane crashes. Okay, so I've managed to fit on 29 circles, so that's going to have to do me. It should be enough. Okay, Layla, what you doing down there? You giving yourself a tidy up? Are you? You're such a good girl, aren't you? Look at you. What's your next step? Little scratch. Look at your pink collar, it's so cute. Oh. Okay, are you done? Yes, off she goes. We have got a ton of circles here, diameter 11 centimeters. I'm going to be using some blue thread. I've got some needles here with a very tiny little hole at the top, quite sharp. Boom. Pair of scissors. Obviously I was using my ruler, and I'll show you what to do. So first of all, okay, so here we go. We're going to fold the circle in half, then we're going to quarter it. I've got my folds lined up. Grab my needle, come up through the back. Make sure you're not strong enough to hold. And we're going to do a little runner stitch along there. Like that. Then we're going to pull. Hold it. I'm just going to put a couple of stitches there to hold it together. There we go. That's the first petal. I'm just gonna pull that as tight as I can and then pop a knot. So it looks like that. So we are going to continue making more of these, and I'm probably going to just start putting them on this mannequin at some point.
Attacks. Often we call our friends, call our normal appearance. That's all fine.
Hello. You been outside? You come to see me? Want another stroke? Have you just had a bite to eat? Have you? You are molting like crazy, Layla. Aren't you? Oh, do you want me to get your little bed? There we go. There you go. There's your bed. There she is. And a little stroke. Yeah. You're going to have a little nap now? Can't remember if you were up early this morning. Right? So, as you can see, these are some little petals that I tried out here, but we've got a really small one there, which I thought would be too fiddly, 5 centimetres in diameter. This one was 7 centimetres, and that one was 10, and currently we're doing 11, aren't we? Going to end up fast asleep in a sec, aren't you? Let's carry on. We've got a couple going on here now. I'm going to crack on doing some more.
But defeating anxiety requires trust. You may not know all the answers. You don't see how it can work out. Sometimes we're anxious over the future, over what might happen. Other times we're anxious over the past.
And go according to what's going on in our life. But peace is an inner being.
Okay, so we are on the last one. It's not taken too long. I've watched a few videos along the way. Daisy. I do find that you've got to sort of put a couple of stitches at the bottom for it to hold. So I literally just try to sew through a couple of those gathered. It's starting to fray a little bit at the bottom, but I think that if we sew these down to some other fabric, it will be fine because they'll be overlapped. Or I think I'd really like to try these on this little mini mannequin that you're currently held up on. Ta-da! Last one. Here we go. There they are. How gorgeous are they? Just pushing them around in different directions. Look at the texture. That would make a good thumbnail. Maybe I'll put that on. I'll take a picture and put it on Instagram stories right now. There's something really quite wonderful about multiples. Look at that. You're just taking a load of photographs. We're just seeing them all lined up. Imagine a gallery floor full of all of those. Okay, here we go, gang. Got my pins and got all of my petals. You see them? And I'm going to pin them onto here. I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed doing that. I hope you enjoyed it on the time lapse. It's making me think I want to do larger ones of these and in different colours, or maybe a gradient of colours coming down. Imagine that. I really enjoyed that. You could see that on a sleeve, on a top, on a dress. Imagine them smaller, getting larger. We are done. I was going to put these little petals on front of some fabric, but I'm so happy with it on the mini mannequin. Oh, sorry. Did I wake you? Do you want to stroke your face? That's what you love, don't you? Little strokey face. Look at her. Look at those paws. You've got such nice stripy legs, haven't you? Little tiger. Little tiger. Haven't you, Layla? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you're new around here, please don't forget to subscribe. It really does help if you like the video, and I shall see you in the very next video every Tuesday and Thursday at 5 p.m. Bye!